Known for its fiery flavor, cayenne pepper is not just a popular spice, but it's actually a superfood loaded with remarkable health benefits. That's why we're about to dive into the world of the extraordinary cayenne pepper. And trust me, it's not just about the heat. For centuries, people have valued cayenne pepper not just as a spice, but as a powerful medicine. Originating in Central and South America, this remarkable ingredient was cherished by ancient cultures for its healing abilities long before its discovery elsewhere. When you take a bite of fresh cayenne pepper, the intense heat you feel comes from a compound called capsaicin. Capsaicin is a natural chemical found in chili peppers, and it activates receptors in your mouth and on your tongue, creating the spicy sensation that cayenne peppers are known for. This distinctive heat is what sets cayenne peppers apart and gives them their unique and memorable taste. It is also loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E that act as the body's defense against cell-damaging free radicals. These antioxidants may help reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases. Cayenne pepper is also a rich source of beta-carotene and other carotenoids. Carotenoids give cayenne its bright red color and support eye health and immune function, and may even help lower cancer risk. In addition to antioxidants, cayenne pepper provides an array of minerals. Calcium and magnesium are essential for strong bones and teeth. Potassium assists with fluid balance and blood pressure regulation, whereas folate, or vitamin B9, is important during times of growth like pregnancy for cell production. So whether you add a pinch to chili or use it to spice up your eggs, cayenne pepper offers far more than just heat. It provides an abundance of nutrients that can benefit your health in surprising ways. Its long history of medicinal use is a testament to the power of this tiny but mighty chili pepper. The next time you reach for the cayenne, feel good knowing you're treating your body to a nutritional powerhouse. Now let's take a look at some of the specific health benefits research has linked to cayenne pepper and its active compound, capsaicin. Migraines. Let's start with one of cayenne pepper's most well-known uses, relieving migraines. As someone who has suffered from migraines myself, I was eager to learn how cayenne could provide relief. It works by dilating the blood vessels and improving blood flow, which helps to relieve the pain of a migraine attack. The capsaicin in cayenne is thought to constrict the blood vessels during a migraine episode. In addition to pain relief, cayenne pepper is high in vitamin C and antioxidants that support a healthy immune system and nervous system function, both of which play a role in migraine triggers and symptoms. Metabolism booster. Cayenne pepper can also give your metabolism a boost. Several studies have found that consuming cayenne slightly increases our core body temperature through thermogenesis. This, in turn, boosts the metabolism for several hours after eating. The extra calorie and fat burning can aid in weight loss when combined with a healthy diet and exercise. Keep in mind, a little cayenne goes a long way here. Too much can cause uncomfortable side effects. Heart health. If you're concerned about heart health, cayenne pepper should be a regular part of your diet. But how exactly does it benefit heart health? Well, cayenne pepper is high in potassium and low in sodium, both of which help to lower blood pressure. The capsaicin also dilates blood vessels, lowering resistance and blood pressure. Regular consumption may help prevent cholesterol buildup and reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. Digestion. If you wonder about digestion, cayenne pepper is also excellent for digestive health. It acts as a carminative to prevent gas and bloating by stimulating peristalsis in the intestines. This keeps everything moving smoothly and can help relieve constipation. The spicy heat also increases stomach acid production, which is necessary for proper digestion and nutrient absorption. Pain relief. If you suffer from any type of pain, whether from injuries, arthritis, or other conditions, cayenne pepper should be in your medicine cabinet. When applied topically as a cream or oil, capsaicin blocks substance P, a neurotransmitter involved in pain signal transmission to the brain. This is how it reduces both short and long-term pain. You can also consume cayenne regularly in food to experience these pain-relieving benefits. Just be sure to wash your hands thoroughly after handling raw cayenne. Anti-cancer effects. Modern research is also discovering cayenne pepper's impressive anti-cancer effects. Several laboratory and animal studies have found that capsaicin can induce cancer cell death, inhibit tumor growth, and cut off blood supply to tumors. It shows promise against certain cancers like prostate, liver, and skin cancers. The antioxidants in cayenne help neutralize free radicals and may protect against DNA damage, two important factors in cancer prevention. More human studies are still needed, but this spice could prove to be a powerful ally in the fight against cancer. Arthritis. For anyone dealing with joint pain from arthritis or other conditions, cayenne pepper may provide relief. When applied topically as a cream containing 0.075% capsaicin, it can significantly improve arthritis symptoms by blocking substance P. Look for a cream with this concentration for effective pain relief. Be sure to perform a small patch test first to check for any irritation. Allergies. Cayenne pepper is also an excellent remedy for seasonal allergies. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce mucus production and nasal congestion. The beta-carotene and vitamin C act as antioxidants to support a healthy immune response. For allergy sufferers, adding cayenne to your diet during peak seasons may help you breathe easier. Mental health. This super spice also has positive effects on mood, stress levels, and energy. Some research suggests capsaicin stimulates thermogenesis in the body, increasing core temperature and the sympathetic nervous system. This can induce the release of endorphins, the feel-good chemicals in the brain. The slight rise in body heat may also promote relaxation and improved mood. Skin health. When it comes to skin health, cayenne pepper should be a regular part of your beauty regime. Rich in vitamin C, it promotes collagen synthesis and repairs of skin tissues. The antioxidant compounds protect the skin from environmental damage. Studies have found cayenne cream effectively reduces psoriasis symptoms like scaling, thickness, redness, and itching when applied regularly. You can even add a pinch to your face mask or scrub for radiant skin. Immune system. Last but not least, cayenne pepper supports immune function in multiple ways. It contains antibacterial compounds that may help ward off infections. Studies show capsaicin displays antifungal properties as well. Regular consumption of cayenne pepper can strengthen your immunity against harmful microbes and reduce your risk of catching colds and flu. Now, those are some impressive benefits, aren't they? But remember, moderation is key when consuming cayenne pepper. Too much of a good thing can lead to an upset stomach. Cayenne pepper is not just a spice, but a remarkable health booster and a powerful superfood that deserves to be used more widely, both in cooking and for its medicinal properties. But if you want to understand what happens if you eat ginger every day, watch this video here.